Hey everyone, and welcome to a Highlight Couponer. So I'm back with more Black Friday. If you're sick of Black Friday at this point, you can let me know in the comments and be like, Nick, shut up about Black Friday. I don't care. Or if you're loving it, comment below and just tell me how many of the Black Friday ads have you watched me put up today. Because I'm really interested to know if anyone's actually enjoying these. And I guess I'll know based upon the views, but let me know down in the comments. Really exciting. So we're going to look at PETCO. And I know a lot of people are going to be like, why do we care about PETCO? Some of these little stores are actually the ones that are the best. Like we just looked at Office Depot a couple hours ago, and it's one of the best ones in this year, I believe. So, you know, you got to think of stuff like that. So PETCO might be good too. So let's just dive right in. So, free pair of, okay, they open at 8 a.m. on Friday. Love that. I'm so glad they're not doing Thanksgiving. I think that's the nice thing to do. I don't like shopping on Thanksgiving. So they're going to do a free pair of holiday antlers for your dog or cat. So nice of them. Plus great deals at the store. So come in. If you do a $9.99 donation, you'll receive a digital photo and help local animals in need. That's nice. Okay, 50% off of the dog beds, supplies, all that stuff. Buy one, get one free for the dog treats and shoes. So buy one, get one. You're buying one and you're going to get one for free. That's pretty great. I mean, can't really complain. Buy one, get 50% off on the dog food items. Buy one, get one half off on the dog food items. Buy one, get one 50% on dog food again. Buy one, get one free on dog food mixers. 50% off of the entire stock of Instinct frozen raw dog food. Let's say you got an animal who needs this. Stock up. If you've got their food, stock up. Same kind of principle as with everyday couponing, you know, stock up when it hits its lowest price. This says right here, lowest price of the year, so it's probably a good time to get it. Okay. Didn't we just look at this? It's like showing the same page. All right. Oh, that's what it did. 50% off with POW rewards of entire stock of aquarium starter kits, as well as you can get all reptiles for 50% off. And then buy one, get one on the Carefresh small animal bedding. 50% off of entire stock of You and Me 2-door crates and comfort crate mats. And 40% off of entire stock of Nerf dog toys. Did they not do anything for cats? Maybe that's the next page. Okay, just lots of discounts here. And then here, it looks like they're going to have $14.99 for some 100-count puppy pads. Pretty good for puppy pads, honestly. I mean, right now we are getting them cheaper than that with digital coupons, but it's not always that easy. So, okay, what's the next page? Here's the cat stuff. 50% off of cat food, and that also applies to the raw cat food and all that stuff. Okay, $7 off of Blue Wilderness cat food. So this is the lowest price of the year. Now here, wasn't expecting this. Do we not have a manufacturer? I feel like we have a $1 off manufacturer, I'm sorry, a $4 manufacturer coupon. If we had that, let's see. No, we don't, but we might get one. So, sorry, I could have swore we had one. All right, I'm buying it free on cat treats. 50% off of cat furniture, like the climby things. I think that's awesome. Diffusers for cats. $6.99 for a 30-pound thing of cat litter. Definitely a good deal. And then, whoa, the litter genie is $10. Really great price. That's awesome. Really great deal. Those are expensive, so $10, and sometimes we have manufacturer coupons, and PETCO does take coupons, so keep that in mind. $99.99 for the scoop-free ultra-automatic litter box, $5 off for Fresh Step, and $7.99 for Arm & Hammer, and there's always a $1 off printable for Arm & Hammer. So that's PETCO. If you got a PETCO, I don't, but I'm looking forward to PetSmart, because they're the pet store in my area. So once PetSmart comes out, I'll definitely look, and of course, I'll keep doing ads for you guys. That's all I have for now. I hope you all enjoyed, and thanks for watching.